Alright guys, just got home. It's 9:20 at night, and I ain't gonna lie, got a special delivery today. The keys to the Lambo just got here. I don't care what the neighbors gonna think, if they get mad or not. I'm turning it on. I'm fiend out. Why wait another day? Get this thing off the trailer, put it in the garage. Be back. Grab the keys. There we go. So long story short, ended up finding the owner of the car and sent me the keys. So let's go. Baby, it's gonna be sitting outside soon. Got a couple toys. You got a 5-speed exhaust. It might be a little loud. Who cares? Let's hop in this thing. My head. Let's see if everything powers on first. Before I get started. Yes, it does. So, decided to unstrap it today. I'm not gonna take it off today just because how loud the car is. I don't feel like pissing off the neighbors. They already hate me, so. Yeah, get to it. Okay guys, so this is the plan for tomorrow. Take this out, and I need to take this stuff out of here to make room on this side. Take this lawnmower out, cover for it, just keep it outside. Park this over here, and then bring that over here and get some dollies, wheel dollies for the car, so I can be able to turn it and stuff like that and get a quick chat. Yeah. See ya. There you go. So I had to move my S2000 from here. Connect the thing to charge, put air in the tire. It's flat. See if it even holds there. like I said, guys, the only reason I'm cleaning it is that's when you see more flaws when a car is clean. When it's dirty, it seems to hide stuff. You know, I already know what it kind of needs, but also just work on a clean car. Crash but clean. So I'm about to put this car aside. I'll give y'all a little rev up, and then that's it. Battery's a little dead. What I'm gonna do is anyway, I'm gonna put it on the tender and go from there. Come back later on and mess with the car. See ya. Okay, guys. So back again. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna try to take this bumper off. I might try to take the fender off if I have time. But let's just start with the bumper for now. We're gonna disassemble all these to be able to get to everything else. Be back. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna take this off because I'm pretty sure that there's something screwed on. I'm gonna find out when I do take it off. I'm gonna take this off, goes both to that. Then I'm gonna take that one off. And then I think it has some stuff behind the door and under the fender, so I'm gonna have to take the fender off. I mean, not the fender, the side skirt. And then go from there. We'll be back. Okay, so there's also a screw right back here. And I think there's two more under there. So I'll have to take the fender off, the side skirt off to get to those if I have to. I guess I'll let you know. We'll see. Okay guys, so I got the screw from behind there off. Now, gotta take this off and probably this off. And another one here. It would have had more, but obviously the fender liner broke. And then I'll take this off also, this probably part to the bumper. So go from there, be back. Okay guys, so back to the bumper. So I turned the wheel. So I gotta take this screw off. And I could remove the whole liner, but since it's already broke, I'm not sure if I have to. I guess we'll see. We'll be back. Okay guys, got the front bumper off. Everything on this side is perfectly fine. As you can see. for this side. Gonna have to get some brackets. Go from there. I was gonna take the fender off, but I don't have my jack here, and I gotta take some screws out from the bottom, and I don't feel like having the car so low, just making it harder. So we'll continue that.